Hello children, today we will do the revision of chapter 7, that is the 7 snowmen. So first we will do you will see the who said to whom, which is given in this chapter. So let's, first page, there is no as such sentence is given that has inverted commas. So let's turn the page number 58. So here in this you see the second paragraph, children. Why don't you children go out and play? It hasn't snowed since last night and the sky looks clear this morning. So underline this sentence. See, you know that by now. I think you must be knowing that the sentences which are in inverted commas, only that are means noted down in who said to whom. So who has said this sentence? Jia's father. And to whom? To children. So you will write Jia's father to children. Okay, can you see? Jia's father to children. Now here in this paragraph there is no such sentence here. Let's make a snowman. Who said? Jia said to Om and Alka, because these two children were present there. So Jia to Om and Alka. Our own snowman. Who said this? Jia said to, again, Om and Alka. Jia to Om and Alka. Now on this page there is no such sentence. Now you turn the page number 59. Here, Dinesh Chacha, why don't you also take a nap? I'll sit inside near the window. The snowman will keep me company. Who has said this? Jia. To whom? To Dinesh. Okay, so you will write Jia to Dinesh. Now here, not again. Who said this? Dinesh to himself. He was thinking, not again, the helicopter, because the helicopter was flying away. So Dinesh said to himself. Hello, it is just a word, children, but you can write down that this stranger voice. Okay, there's no sentence, you can leave also. It can't be true. Who said this? Jia to herself. Okay, it can't be true. Jia to herself. So these are the who said to whom in this chapter, children. I hope you have learned the word meanings. Let's see if we can shorten down the word meanings if they are present. Trek, a long journey on foot. Shelter, a place that is safe from danger. Till here you can write. Okay, safe from danger. Dhaba, a Hindi word for a roadside restaurant. Basement, a room below the ground. Trapdoor, a small door in the floor. You can write till here. A small door in the floor. Hopeless, feeling that nothing good will happen. Rescued, saved. Take turns waiting. One person waits for a while. Then another person takes his turn and waits, and so on. So this you have to learn the full sentence. Now turn the page here. Suffered from colds and stiff joints. Felt pain in knees, elbows and fingers. Till here you can write. No sign of a rescue team. The rescue team had not come in search of them. Pack the snow, to hold the snow strongly. Till here you write. Okay. Pebbles, small smooth stones. Here only. Till here. Semicircle, half circle. Upturned, upside down. Hearty, for food in large amounts. Now next page. Take a nap. Sleep for a short time during the day. Keep me company. Be with me. Till here. Made her jump. Scared her. And so she moved suddenly. You can write scared her. Okay. Missing people. People who were lost and who they were looking for. Cables, very strong, thick ropes. Till here you can write. Okay. So I have tried to shorten out the meanings. Shorten the meanings and you can learn the meanings that I have shortened, and rest of them you have to learn whole. Okay. Question answers, children, you have already got in the PDF. You will learn all the question answers which is given. Okay. Let's do the exercise part. Read the lines in the first column. Write what happens after these events in the second column. Events. Jia goes on a trek in Uttarakhand with her father and uncles. The weather changes suddenly and their way gets blocked by the snow. So what happens after this? They take shelter in dhaba. Shiv Charan and his children are also trapped because of the snow. Second event. Everyone hears a loud and rumbling noise from the basement. Akhilesh tries to open the trapdoor. The trapdoor does not open because it is blocked from outside by the snow. So he pulls open a window and jumps out. The four men decide to take turns and wait outside the house. The men suffer from cold and stiff joints due to heavy snow. Om and Alka show Jia how to play outside in the snow. Jia makes a snowman. What happens after this? Jia's father, uncles and Shiv Charan also joins them and makes snowmen. Jia offers to keep a watch and asks Dinesh to take a nap. Jia falls asleep and forgets to watch out for the helicopter. All of them go outside and stare at the empty sky. Jia hears a stranger's voice. She sees soldiers from the Indian army standing between the snowmen. Okay. So children, this is the events and what happens after. Now let's see the next one. Simple present tense. Use the simple present tense forms of the verbs in color. So simple present tense, children, you have already studied, and we know that with singular subject we add s to the verb, and with plural subject we do not add s to the verb. Okay. So let's see. Would always, see would taken as singular. So floats on water. Ritika, single, one girl, so reads a story every day. The shop next door, again shop is just one shop we are talking about, not many shop. So sells onions. Asim always, Asim again one boy, so eats before night. Now present progressive. Present progressive tense means present continuous tense. What do we say? Okay, so it is about the action that is taking place now, that is at the time of speaking, the action that is not yet over. Okay, so let's see. Complete the, like if you see this one, the helicopter is flying away from us, so it is still flying. Okay, it's not that it is gone, it is still flying. Everyone is staring at the empty sky, so still staring. Okay, the action is still going on, it is not yet over. Complete the answers to these questions using the present progressive tense from the words in the brackets. Is she reading a book? No, she is talking. See here, talk and phone, two words are given in the brackets. With the help of this we have to make it in the present progressive tense. No, she means one, so helping verb we will use is, because only present we have to make no. So if the subject is singular we will use is, and if the subject is plural we will use are. Okay, so she is, talk will become talking because ing is to be added in the verb. So she is talking on the phone. Are you waiting for a bus? No, I, with I we always use am, right? I am, wait will become waiting for my friend. Is the man filling the bucket? So wash and some clothes. No, he is, wash become washing. He is washing some clothes. Are the women cutting the tree? No, they. Now see here, plural is there, so you will not use is, you will use are. They are, cut becomes cutting, they are cutting the grass. Now next is simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. So here we, most of the cases we add ed to the verb. Okay, so let's see simple past tense. I make friends rewrite the sentence in the simple past tense. I make friends easily, so make becomes made. I made friends easily. When they play the drums, it is very loud. So when they played, play becomes played. Played the drums, it is becomes was. It was very loud. There is one samosa left on the plate. There was one samosa left on the plate. He catches the ball and throws it back to the bowler. Catch becomes caught. Okay, the past tense of catch is not catched. It is wrong. The past tense of catch is caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. He caught the ball, and the past tense of throw is threw, not throwed. Okay, T-H-R-E-W, threw it back to the bowler. The lion hunts at night and sleeps during the day. The lion hunted, okay, H-U-N-T-E-D, hunted at night, and past tense of sleep is slept, S-L-E-P-T, slept during the day. I walk to school but go by bus on rainy days. So walk becomes walked, I-W-A-L-K-E-T, walked to school, but go becomes went, W-E-N-T, went by bus on rainy days. Now match the following is there. Match the phrases in A with the sentence in B. The phrases should mean the same as the words in color in the sentences. Every now and then, the park keepers cleaned the parks from time to time. Keeps me company at. During weekends, my grandfather comes with me to the tennis club. Curled up, the cat was comfortable on the couch, sleeping soundly. Taking turns, the group entered the cave by going one at a time. There was no sign of. We searched for hours, but we could not spot the missing bag. Now next is choose the correct homonyms. Okay, so see, they were all tired and decided to take some rest. Except for Dinesh, the rest of them decided to go back. See, spelling and pronunciation both are same. Here also rest, here also rest. But the meaning is different. In the first sentence, the word rest means to relax. Okay, he was relaxing. Okay, or means not moving. And in the second sentence, rest means the remaining of them. Okay, so those words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but have different meanings are called homonyms. So let's see. Choose the correct words from the box to complete these sets of sentence. You may have to change the form of some words. So let's see. First one is already given. Second one, I do not know how to pack the snow and make snowballs. Mowgli becomes a part of a pack of wolves. So here pack means what? How to arrange the snow, you can say. And here pack of wolves means the group of wolves is known as. The wolves are in group. They are known as pack of wolves. Next is our parents sign our notebooks every week. We have been waiting for an hour and there is still no sign of the bus. So here sign means signature. And here sign means any clue, any signal. Reba went on a trip to Madhya Pradesh with her family. Walk carefully or else you will trip and fall down. So here trip means going on a tour, and here trip means to fall down. The actor smiled and waved at the little children. The hotel was very close to the sea. We could hear the waves crashing on the shore. Here waved means what? Means just moving the hands at somebody, saying in a way of hi or hello. And here waves means the sea waves, lehrein, what we call in Hindi. Father taught me to make a bow with a ribbon, and this Oli has made a bow and arrow with twigs. So this bow we make design means use the ribbon and fold it to make a bow that we means put it maybe on the gift or maybe somewhere in the suit also we put tie bow and all. And here bow and arrow means that in Hindi we say it Tir and Dhanush. So that is bow and arrow. Okay. So this is the exercise part, children. So I want you all to learn all the exercise that is given in the book. Thank you.